I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools and ensuring your vehicle is safe to work on. You'll need a screwdriver, possibly a Torx key, and your new headlight bulb. It's crucial to verify the correct bulb type for your car, as there are several options like H7 or H11. Always perform this task with the engine off and the car cool to prevent injury. Now, let's get started by opening your car's hood. Locate the headlight assembly you need to replace. You'll typically find two locking pins at the top of the headlight unit. Pull these pins straight up to release them. Once the pins are removed, gently jiggle and pull the entire headlight unit forward and out of its housing. This might require a little careful maneuvering. With the headlight unit out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its clip and pulling it away. Next, remove any protective cover or cap over the bulb. Carefully twist or pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, hold it by its base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its socket. To finish up, reattach the bulb cover and reconnect the electrical harness to the headlight unit. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, ensuring it seats correctly. Push the two locking pins back down firmly to secure the headlight in place. Finally, turn on your car's lights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. This ensures your car looks good and smells fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.